We're here in at the altar here at Cape Coast in the dungeons of the male dungeons at the altar. And we're honoring our ancestors with libation. I'd like permission for my elder to continue.
Yes, you may.
Thank you, Madasi. We're pouring libation today in honor of our ancestors, our way shores, those who paved our way. We want to name our ancestors' names, our historical ancestors, and after which we will say, as always, Ashe. You call them out as often as you want. When we call their names, they're here. They never left us, and we've never left them. The Honorable Marcus Mosiah Garvey.
Ashe. Harriet Tubman. Ashe.
Ashe. To all my unknown name relatives.
Ashe.
Ashe.
Zora Neale Hurston.
Ashe.
Malcolm X.
Ashe.
Martin Luther King.
Ashe.
Dr. A.C.
Ashe.
Booker T. Washington.
The Honorable Elijah Muhammad. Yes, Queen Mother Moore. Name them out. Yes. Simone the great ones. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Ashe. Those that we will never know the names of. Those that we call out your personal ancestors now. Bessie Lee Smith, Warren Thomas Smith, Henrietta Walker. Call them out, your ancestors. Those that don't know, your bloodline, our bloodline. One people, one purpose, one God, one aim, one destiny. Ashe. Name them as much as you want. Ashe. They know that we're here. Ashe. Ashe. Ashe, Ashe-o. With the